Hello everyone. What's up? What's up? What's up? How are you today, guys? Tell me. Guys, I'm live on YouTube as well, okay? If you want to send a message, go to YouTube and send on a chat, okay? You can send a message on the chat on YouTube. Yesterday, I don't remember the name, but my student asked for me, how can I know when I need to use the higher or lower button, okay? Buy or sell. How I'm use my tools to identify a trigger, okay? What the exactly time that I need to click and how can I do to understand and find it on the charts, okay? So if you have any question about that, I recommend you to go to my live on YouTube and watch my previous live, okay? Just a moment, guys. I'm sending the link right now on the group, okay? Just go to the group and go to my channel right here, okay? So feel free to do that right now. Okay, guys, let's start. Welcome for the beginners. Congratulations for the veterans that are ready to make profits with my signals. Hey, Mohammed. Hello, man. How are you? Everything's okay, man? Okay, let's introduce myself. I'm James Martin, guys. I've been working with markets for a long time, almost 6 years. Okay, and all my experience, all my knowledge, I have this goal to share with you. Because of that, I create this group on Telegram that I send signals every day for the morning, afternoon, and night. All right. This is a way, guys, for you have an extra money for you and for your family. Okay. So if you're a beginner, if you don't have account, go to the pin and the message here, click on it, and you can see my pin and message. My video here that I teach you how to create your first account, to make your first deposit, to understand the signals, how to use the martingale. Okay, it's not having secret about that, man. It's very easy. The PokeShop released for us this promo code 50 start that you're gonna win 50% on your first deposit. Okay, this is needs to be clear. First deposits. All right. So the minimum value for this is $50. When you do this $50, you're gonna win 25. In a total, $75. Okay. Right here I have another example. Another one and another one. Okay. And another great thing for you beginner. You're gonna win $50,000 on your demo account, your practice account, to gain experience, and you can copy the signals that I send on the group on this account. Okay? This is a good news for you. You cannot use, it's not necessary to use a real account in first way for you. Try to use that. You can get more confident with that account and gain more experience before start to use your real money, make some profits. Alright? What's about you? Oh, I'm great, man. Very good today. How to make more money with the signals. Oh yeah, man. Let's go together. Remember, you need to play to stop win, stop loss, okay? It's not so, oh, I need to make money. You need to choose the best value for you. Oh, I want to make $30 per day. If I lose $10, I will stop for today and try again tomorrow. Okay? Try to use 1 to 2% of your total bank. Do not expend all your money. Okay? Don't be greedy about that, or you're gonna lose all your money. All right? So have good risk management. Split stop win and stop loss. This is very important for you. All right? Hello, Bernard. How are you, man? Everything's okay? Okay, guys, so get back here. So to make your account, guys, click on this link or here, or about here. Don't forget, for the first deposit, use the 50 start, okay? It's obvious. If you want to make or use $50, want to make your first deposit with $50, the best for you to use the 50 start. Just go to the top up, okay? Choose a new deposit method. Choose the best option for you. You can see the minimum value for each option, okay? The time that it's have for drop the money for account, okay? 1 minute, 10 minutes. I have a promo code. You need to mark this little square, okay? 50 start. Terms and conditions. Deposit to activate a promo code $50, the minimum value. A little example. I will try with $20. There is no bonus for me. Alright? $4. The same. $50, $25, the total 75. If you start with $10, why should you risk up to 2 gales? Man, with $10, you need to use in the maximum 2% of your bank. Okay? Because on the first or second gale, the chance for you win it's very high than the first entry. Sometimes for some pairs. Okay? If you try $1 in the first, oh, let me use example. Okay. Let me talk about a little brief, man. Before that. So right here, guys, I have example about signal. Okay. First thing that you need to change is your time zone to TC-3. All right. Don't forget to do that. Use the same time that I'm using. This is the pair you need to search on your currency coins. Right here. Okay. You can type the pair and you can find it. Higher lower button and the time. This is the expiration. You can find that on here. The expiration 5 minutes. Okay. So let's in 5 minutes. Or you can change to the flag and use M plus M5. Okay. Go to the left side. Time zone, the gear icon here. Time zone and select the automatic detection. Select UTC-3. Don't forget to do that. The first thing that you need to do is that one. Right? After that, go to the chart types, select candles, time frame M5, enable the time that it's 1 here. It's very good to use that to help us to identify the remaining time to the next candle. Alright? Okay. So now the martingale. I have $10. Alright? So this signal here, example. For your affiliate that they have $10 on your bank, this strategy is good for you. Okay? If you try your first entry with $1, okay, with a payout with 92%, it's almost $1 that you're gonna win of profit. Right? Depends of the pair. This one, I'm gonna win 92 cents. Okay? So, this is your first entry. If you lose the first entry, you need to double up to $2. Okay? Look at the profit. You're gonna win your $1 again. Get back your first entry. And with a plus of 84 cents in this first gale. Alright? But if you lose this first gale, try the second one. Double up again to $5. 6, 7. It will be remain $3 for you. Okay. You recover the $2 you lost, the $1, and make a profit with 68 cents. But the percent for you win the first gale is higher than on the direct entry. Okay. When you try and you need to use the second gale, it's more than the first one. But for you that have $10, you need to win on entry to be good with that. Okay. As if the minimum value for the pocket champion is $1 per entry, the best option for you to use the martingale is just one shot. Okay? But you can wait. Because if you try made an entry and you lost $1, and you try again and lost another dollar, you need have at least $7 to do that. Okay? For the guys that have only $5, unfortunately, it's not possible for you make 2 gales. Okay? You need to try to find a signal and win with the signal and try just one gale. So okay, if you have $5, the best option for you is try to use $2 and make up for the first gale $4. Okay? But $10, try to use 1, 2, and $4. Because if you lost this first entry, will remain $3 for you to try to recover our money. For you have $5, it's not possible for you to make the second gale, and you need to make a little more money. Okay? So try to do that on the first gale. $2. Oh, it's not possible. So 1.5 and 3. Okay? $1.5 and 3. You remain just 50 cents, and you cannot make any more another entry, unfortunately. Okay? But if you make your first entry and win, you're gonna win the profits with this value here. Okay? 1.38. Another thing that I recommend for you. If you have $5 and I send signal for you, pay attention on the payouts. Okay? Don't try to make entry, let me see, with this payout 6.9, 54. Oh my god, this is so low, man. 52, 48. No, no, never. Okay? Try to the maximum, man, for you. 7.7, 7 in the maximum. Okay? Don't try it lower than this. Guys, 1 minute. We are back, okay? Fast, please. Okay, I'm back, guys. So sorry. So for $5, guys, when you get your first entry and make $6.38, and after that you're able to use $2 and double up to $4 because we have this bank here. All right. So this is the option for you because it's a small value for you to have a good risk management. It's kind some hard, okay? Have a little difficulty here because the minimal value for the operation, okay, it's not possible to use 10 cents, 20 cents, 30 cents. It's necessary to use $1. But it's up to you, okay? If you have $5 and you try to make 5 entries, it's up to you. If you want to make 2 entries, one of them 1.5, and try the first gale with 3, okay? It's the same for the $10. All right? So to use the martingale is that way, guys. Your first entry, I use $2. If I lost the first, I need to double up again to $4. And if I lost again, $8. All right? So let's go to the broker. As I said, the first thing, time zone TC-3. Don't forget to do that. The time here, I recommend you to use the time. The flag is for you try to make or use a strategy. If you have to pay attention on the shadow of the candle and make an entry with 30 seconds with delay. Okay, it's for some accusations. So I recommend you to use with 5 minutes the time. Okay, and that another strategy not so good. There is a little risk. Okay, so the chart type, the time frame, enable timer. Okay, you need to identify the pair. We have pairs with OTC and without OTC. So without OTC is for open markets. The signal is gonna work in another brokers. And with OTC, only for pocket option. It's closed markets. Alright? But I recommend you to follow the signals only pocket option. Okay guys, this is my tools. If you wanna know a little more about that, just watch my previous live. I only talk about that the entire life, okay? The entire life I talk about my tools, how can I use each one of them, how to then find a good entry. Alright? So for MACD, I use with this configuration. Use 2 moving average with 20 hexadecimal, 9 hexadecimal. Bollinger Bands 20 and 2. Fractal with 3. Alright. Bollinger Bands with this style. I'm gonna select the background and zigzag 3, 5, 5. Alright. If we start with the okay. This was Philippe Bernard. Okay. No one more. Alright, if you have any questions, just send a message on YouTube, okay? I send my link here. It's easy. Just click, go to YouTube and send a message. Alright? So let's try to make an entry. Oh, I have 30 seconds to do that. Alt SD. We have a little space to go up. This is an uptrend, so let's start with $20 on that. As I said, I change the M5 to M1. I can see this have a little space on the top. It's possible that will create a pullback on the M1, but I try. I really recommend you guys to make this, okay? Sometimes try to use M5, M1 to compare the charts. The charts, okay? Why? Inside this candle, we have another 5 candles with 1 minute. Okay, so you can see the 5 candles have been created inside the candle with 5 minutes. So this is a good way to then find if this trend will be respect. Okay. So far the trend is be respect. But we need to wait for the results. Our first candle, second candle, a third candle, fourth, the last candle. Alright? You can click here on the trades, your current trade and history, and click on the pair. Alright? So now you can see your points. The open price when you click, the current price for right now, the values for this pair. The time left is the same for that one, but this is M5, okay? So change to M5, you can see the same value here. Alright, time left here. The open time that you click on the button. I see that you did not click the button. So how do I know when the trade is up and down on this live trade? Thanks. Man, I made this click, okay? As I had only 30 seconds, I was kind fast, okay? But I click on the higher button. If you watch the live again, you can see that I click on the higher button, okay? I just compare the both charts, the M5 to M1. I saw that this candle will respect the trend, that you continue with this uptrend, follow more resistance line here of my Bollinger Bands, okay? And I wait for the time 6:29:59, and I clicked on the higher button, okay? So yes, I made the click, okay? And how do I know when the trade is up and down on this live? Let's take another one. I don't understand your question. So how do I know when the trade is up and down on this live? Do you want to know how to identify an uptrend, a downtrend? Or how can I know when this is a higher or lower operation? Higher operation, you can see that one. Okay? Lower operation, you can see the red one. Alright? For the other, it's the same. Lower, add one. Higher, the green one. You can see that here. We have little arrow below the pair. This is for us the lower button. Okay? And this is the higher button. Alright? The last was win for us. It's a good opportunity. Ouch. Oh, I did not make this entry, man. Okay, we can talk about that. When I send a signal, I can let this configure with the minimal value to pocket option, okay? It's like automation. And probably this was my friend that made this one. Okay? For that one. That one is not respecting so far. So 20 seconds remaining. Oh my god, this is not. And oh my god. Be prepared for the gale, wait for the seconds, okay? Oh, almost there. Go down, go down, go down, go down, go down. Click. Oh my god. Because of 2 seconds. So it was necessary to use the martingale on that signal, okay? 4 minutes remaining. So far the difference is shown for us this point is to compare with the market, okay, with the entry point here down to my point, always will be red, and above will be green. Okay, so 3 minutes. M1, the first, second, the third. A huge space between the line and the candle. So far we have great chance to win the first game. $15. Come on, stay there. I think that we got this one, guys. The signal respect this candle here. And that one. 30 seconds remaining. We got this. Guys, if you have any question, okay, if you want asking everything for me, just let me know, send me a message, reach out to me on Telegram, and click here and talk to me. Okay? Don't hesitate, please. If you have any question, send me a message. 9.20 of profit. Okay? So thank you so much, guys, for watching so far. I really appreciate your attendance. Okay? Have a good day and almost have a wonderful weekend. Tomorrow, I want to see you all again. Okay? Bye bye, guys. See you. Bye bye. Bye bye.